Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to correctly get Life360 on Apple Watch. So first up, you can't get the full feature Life360 app on your Apple Watch because it's primarily a companion app, meaning it relies on the iPhone app to function. However, if the Life360 app has a corresponding Apple Watch companion app, you can install it by opening the app watch on your iPhone, going to the My Watch tab, and scrolling to the available apps section to find and tap Install next to the Life360 app. Number 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen, scroll down to the Available Apps section, find the Life360 app in the list, and tap Install next to the app to install it on your Apple Watch. What to expect? The Apple Watch version of Life360 typically offers basic functionality such as viewing locations and managing features related to the tile tracking integration. You must have the full Life360 app already installed and running on your paired iPhone for the Apple Watch to work correctly. The app may consume battery life, as location services might be active even when the app isn't open. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.